Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a watermelon Bliss Smoothie. It's real tasty, so let's get started. Water to get a blender and put in 2 cups of watermelon, just cut up into small pieces. 1 cup of raspberries. My raspberry, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Just put the lid on, burn on high for about a minute until it's quite smooth, and then bubble sugar. Yeah. Well, I forgot to drop my recipe for a watermelon Bliss Smoothie, as you can see. Oh, looks so good, so I'm gonna give it a try. So nutritious and so healthy and so delicious, so it's perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one for a new recipe. Peace out.